In this video, we are going to fix the 0x800f0905 Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At day settings, directly click on the system being placed here at the left pane. And then the moment you have opened the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for troubleshoot. Now click on it. And afterwards, you'll see three options: proceed to other troubleshooters and run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So wait until it would be done, and once you are done, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if this solution didn't work out, then we need to navigate to the second one. So the second solution that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the search box and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you will be able to see a best match, which is a command prompt system. Here, you need to navigate here at the right side and go with the Run as Administrator. So wait until you can see that option, and once you have seen it, click on it. And then if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I will be including the set of commands at the YouTube description. I want you to copy it. And once you have copied it, please paste it here one by one. So the first is to do system scanning, SFC /scannow. And wait until it will be done. It will take 5 minutes or more than that. And once you are good, please copy and paste the second, which is to scan health. And then once you are done with this one, proceed to the third, okay? Go with the checking the health of the PC, and then wait until it would be done as well, and then proceed to the last, which is to restore the health of your computer. Okay, once you are done with all of these commands, you need to restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if the problem has been fixed. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.